So you're welcome to the channel, and today we'll be looking at how to evaluate logarithms without using tables. So let's start right here. So we have this question: log of 27 to base 3 plus log of 2 log of 9 to base 3 minus log of 243 to base 3. So the first thing to take note of is that all the logarithms are to the same base. You can see 3, 3, 3. So we apply the laws of logarithms, which has been discussed in the previous video. You can check the link in the description. So you have log, then you have a 27 to base 3 plus these 2, move this 2 here using the power law to the top of this 9. So you have log of 3, then you have 9, this 2 moves to the top, so you have 2 minus, then you have log of 3, 2, 4, 3. Next step, you break down 9 squared, so you have log of 3, 27 plus log of 3, 9 squared is 81, that's 9 times 9, minus log 3, 2, 4, 3. So the next step, you are going to apply the laws of logarithm based on addition law and subtraction law. So this is what we're going to do right now. So you have log, this is plus here. When you have plus, you are doing multiplication. So you have 27 times 81. Okay, your base is 3. Then you are dividing. This is minus. Minus means division. Then you divide by 243. So if you do this division, you can cut it with 81. So 81 in 81, that will give you 1. 81 in 243, that will give you 3. Then 3 in 3, that's 1. 3 in 27, that will give you 9. So at the end of the day, you have log to base 3 of 9. So from here, you also apply the laws of logarithm and you break down 9 to the power of 3. So this will give you log 9 is 3 raised to the power 2. Then use the power law, you bring this 2 down here, so that will give you 2 log, then you have 3, then you have this 3. So logarithm of a number to a base, which is that same number, will give you 1. That's because you need to raise that number to the power of 1 to get that same number. So log of 5 to 5 is 1, log of 10 to base is 1. So since it's the same number, so at the end of the day you have 2 times everything in here will give you 1. So final answer is 2. Okay, so this logarithm, the final answer to that question is 2. Okay, now let's move on to another example. So welcome back. We have another question here which is based on logarithms, and we have to evaluate this. So you have log to base 10. Okay, the common base is base 10, as you can see. Then here you have 30 divided by 16. You have 2 log 5 over 9 plus, then you have log to base 10 of 400 divided by 234. So let's just rewrite this. Okay, you have log 10 30 over 16, and you have minus this 2 comes here to the top. So you have, don't forget this number is 5 over 9, so the square affects both 5 and 9. So you have log to base 10, so you open a bracket and write 5 over 9, then squared outside. Then you have plus, which will give you log 10, then you have 400 divided by 234. Then from here you have log to base 10 30 over 16, okay, minus, then you have log 5 squared is 81. Okay, sorry, 5 squared is 25. So 5 squared is 25 divided by 9 squared is 81. Then plus log 10 400 over 234. Now we apply the laws of logarithm. Don't forget, in logarithm, plus is addition. Okay, plus is addition, which means multiplication, and minus gives you division. So this one here, this term, you can see this term, there's an imaginary plus here. So this term and these terms are being multiplied, then I'm dividing by this. Okay, so we take these two together, or if you can rewrite it like this, you can rewrite it as, so you can rewrite it as log 10 30 over 16. Then let's bring this one plus log 10 400 over 234, then minus, then this one log 25 over 81, then you have 10 here. So plus is times, so you have everything is based on the same logarithm, 10 10 10. So you pick a single log 10, then these two will multiply together because there is times, you have times in the middle, so you multiply these two together. So you have 30 over 16 times, here you have 400 over 234, then you're dividing here, divided by 25 over 81. Everything will be in brackets. Now from here you need to simplify it further, okay, by doing your division, and you have to be very careful when you're dividing so you don't make any mistake in the process. So you have log 10 30 over 16 times 400 over 234. This one becomes times, and swap this, 81 goes up, then 25 comes down. So you can start dividing now. So let's start with 81. So if you cut this here, you get 1. 81 in 234, that will give you 3. 3 here 1. 3 in 10, 3 in 30, that will give you 10. Okay, now 16 here 1, 16 in 400 will give you 25. Then this 25 can cut this 25. Okay, so at the end of the day you have 10 left. If you are confused at this point, you can use a calculator. You just press 30 times 400 times 81. Okay, anything you get divided by the product of 16 times 234 times 25. So your final answer should be 10. Then at the end of the day you have log 10, log to base 10, then 10. So log to base 10, log 10 10 is 1. So that will be your final answer. Okay, final answer is 1. So let's take one more example. Okay, so welcome back. We have one more example here. So the logarithms here in this case are to base 5. So you have 2 logarithm of the base 5 of 2 over 5 plus logarithm of 9 to base 5 minus logarithm of the base 5 of 72 over 125 plus logarithm of 10 to base 5. So in this case all the logarithms are to base 5. So the first thing to do is to simplify everything, then use law of logarithm to break it down. So let's move these two move it to this side here, to the top of this. Okay, so that will give you 2. So you have log 2 over 5 raised to the power 2, then base 5 plus log of 5, log to base 5, then 9 minus log to base 5 72 over 125 plus log of base 5 to 10. Then this will give you log of the base 5, 2 over 5, that's 2 squared will give you 4, 5 squared will give you 25 plus log of 9 is 5 minus log of 72 over 125 base 5 plus log, then you have base 5 10. Then consider the ones that have plus and include it in your multiplication. You are following the laws of logarithm. So all these ones that have plus will become multiplication, while this one with minus will become division. So this one with minus, it will become division. Okay, so you have, pick a single logarithm, you have 5, open your brackets. So the ones with plus will be multiplied, while the one with division will become the denominator. So you have 4 over 25, then times, this one becomes times 9. Then you have this guy here plus, this one is minus, so this one becomes division, 72 over 125. Then this one is plus, it becomes times, then you have 10. So let's simplify it further. Turn this division to times. Okay, turn this one to times, so it becomes logarithm of 5, 4 over 25. Then you have times 9. This one becomes times, this one goes up, 125 over, this one comes down, 72 times 10. Then you're gonna start cutting it out. Okay, so let's cut with 9 first. So we have 9 here, 1, 9 in 72 give you 8. Okay, then 4 here, 1, 4 in 8, that will give you 2. Okay, 2 here, 1, 2 in 10 will give you 5. 5 here, 1, 5 in 25 will give you 5. So you are left with 1, 2, 5 and 5. Then 5 here, 1, 5 in 1, 2, 5 will give you 25. So end of the day you are left with just 25. Okay, so this whole thing now will be equivalent to log 525. So you can still go further with your workings. So if you go further, you have log 5, break 25 down, that will give you 5 squared. Then using the product law, this 2 comes to this side here. So you have 2 log to base 5, 5. Then at the end of the day, log to base 5, you have the same number and the same base. So that will give you 1. So you have 2 times 1, which will give you 2. So if you really enjoy our videos, please like and subscribe. Okay, like and subscribe for you to enjoy more videos like this. Okay, so thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video.